everybody. We're back in BLG Studios. Today we're going to finish working on our light here, I hope. I got my duck sitting over here with a tremendous amount of super glue going around. And I got the duck sitting with some weight on it so it sits nice and tight on here onto the face. But while we're waiting for the face, let's grab our brown frame. Look at this. You ready? Looks like the fucking president. Yeah, we're going to take this and we're going to put it back together real quick. It's easy. There's two plastic pins that I've got here somewhere, right here and here. Okay? Nothing to this. And if we need, I'm going to have to do some beer boxing in here. Beer boxing. So basically, got these little plastic pins that came out. We line our hinges up, which shouldn't be bad. See if I can get one started here. One-handed lining up these hinges things. Hinges things for BLG to line up these hinges things. Hinges things. I can't get it to go down to where I want it. No, I can't. That's going to break. BLG, don't you break that motherfucker. I thought this was going to be easy, folks. Here it goes. Okay, got one. Hang on now. Stick with me. We'll come back from this a ways. And this one, going to go through right there. Oh, nice, BLG. Good shot. There it is. Ta-da! That's going to be like that, see? There to there. There you go. So now we're just going to wait for this to set up for a little bit more, a couple more seconds. We're going to wait for that to set up, and then that is going to get put back in here. Yes. So I'll see you back here just a couple of minutes. Oh, hey, folks, we're back. Now we're going to do our next phase. As you can see, our little duck is done glued in. Super glue set. So now we got to put this in here. This ought to be fun. I couldn't find three. I had three little screws that were in here already. Couldn't find them. So we're going to try. Let me open this. We're going to try this the hard way. We're going to put this back up against here. And we, once again, that's the bottom, this is the top. Yes, it goes this way. Okay. We're going to hit this with more super glue where the screws used to be in here, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So one used to be here. I'm going to super glue this up real good. Slather him down. And right here, slather it down. Uh-oh. Am I about out of this one? This one's about out. Okay. Got another one. Fear not. More super glue here. There we go. Dabble this shit on here, BLG. Get a good old country ass bead. Right up a super glue on that. And over here, super glue on that valve. It looks like the only 4 points that had anything. Now, Mr. Duck, if you would be so kind, goes back in, hence he came from, thusly, and sits back where he was. Just like this. Nice. Okay. Super glued in. Check. I'm going to let that sit for a minute or two. Do its groovy thing. Yeah, I'm digging this. Looks like I'm going to have to get some tape. Or will that do that? Hang on. I'll have to get some tape and go around here to plug these little edges. Not going to worry about that at the moment. I don't believe so. I've got this kind of tape. I'll stick a little glue on it for now. I don't think it's going to do anything that's going to help or hurt it, but let's see what I can do here. Stick this little bit of blue. Am I blue? Yes. Yes, you are, BLG. You one blue motherfucker. Stick this down like this here. Just kind of going around, slop it on here. Slop it on there, BLG. No worries, mate. No fucking worries. Stick it from here. This is just keeping it. It's wanting to pop around because it doesn't have that thickness of the mirror behind it, you see. So I'm just going to go around it with a little bit of tape because I am not that fucking picky. I'm not a picky person. We'll tape on this bitch. A little bit like that there. Just make sure it's stuck down nice and don't get in the super glue, dumbass. Like that, that'll do. Go around a little bit here. Just making sure that it's not coming the fuck out. Stopped and looked at a bass boat today. On our way home from getting run out from our fishing spots. Crab trapping, we were going to go try to get some more crab. Too many people, way too many people. We're going to try again Monday. Yeah, turned out the weekend, Saturday, wasn't very good day to pick. So we're going to try going back out Monday morning. See if we can get some blue crab. Just need about another 4 or 5 would be good. Another 6 would be nice, but 4 or 5 will make us a good crab boil. And that's what we're going to shoot for. Just want to make another crab boil, man. It's been a while. Just going to go around there. Stick her down. Stick that bitch to the ground. Yes, yes, BLG. Beautiful. Excellent, okay? I like the look of this. That's going to do. In fact, I think just a little bit of tape here might help anyway. Just a little, right around here. Just a little bit around here. I don't want this all tape. I want to tear half of that off. Just like that. Yeah, something about like that. Just fucking birds on the roof. It sounds like somebody tapping. Tap, tap, tappy, tappy, tap. Tappity, tap. Bitches, how we doing? That's the bottom, that's the top. Hey, look at that, folks. So that's quite fucking nice. Very quite fucking nice. I am very pleased with this. Check that out, huh? We get our light. This one, with a 1.5 bazillion camera power, LED light. And we're going to get our piece of foam, this little piece of foam with an X cut in it. See? Like this. And as you can see, I have pre-cut a hole in the bottom of this bad boy. Right here. For this cord to go through. Move you to this side. Hope you don't mind. But I need you to move. Let's go over to here. Okay. This should be the easy part. I want to see if this is actually turned on or off. Oh God. The outlet's way over there now. Hello.
Hello. You need a window. We're gonna.
Okay. Oh, I want that on. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to open this again. I don't want it to hit anything. Which way do you open? This way. We'll open this, just like so. We'll take our light cord here. This is going to go up and around here, like this. Get it over this stupid thing there. This is just going to pop in here. Nothing fancy. We're going to put our cord through the hole, just like so. I want it to go this way through the hole, if you don't mind. Okay, it's going to catch on the label. We're going to go through the hole just like so. That's going to plug said hole. Our little light should stay somewhere in this vicinity now. I like the look of that. Okay, we'll close him up like this. Right? I think I can stand it up somewhere, somewhat. Right? See what this thing looks like. This ought to be cool. Oh, I can't quite reach it. Mayday, mayday, go to here. Let's see what this thing, I'm trying to get it plugged in for you here. Oh, fuck yeah. Got a few little touch-up spots. But I tell you what, folks. Here, let's turn off this light. Turn these off, because I'm about done anyway. And turn this off. Hey, check it out, man. It's a 3D duck. It's a 3D motherfucking duck. It doesn't shine through too bad on the sides either. Not too bad. I mean, about what could be expected. Main part's that the front looks good, and that looks pretty good to me. In fact, I wonder if I can get a picture of that. Let me go to camera mode. I'll be right back. Actually, I hope you enjoyed the episode as I stand here and stare you down in the dark. Here, let's do this. There we go. Hope you all enjoyed the episode. We're up to 91 subscribers, folks. Looks like we're on the freight train to reaching 100 subscribers by the end of this year yet. Big goals, people. This is what, April? Nice, we're doing good, you're doing great. I deeply appreciate it. But I hope you enjoyed the episode, hanging out with old BLG in the studio today. Finishing up a nice little light project. Came out sweet. I like it. So, yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm going to do a little bit of touch-up on here, and I'm going to go hang this up in the man cave and get me a thumbnail. Peace out, people. Peace out. Hit them likes and subscribe if you don't mind, and I'll catch you later. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around.